Okay, because you don't have a masking tape or whatever out here, I like you to just lay it on there while it's still good and wet. Press it down.
That gives you the outline.
And then peel it back off, and then you can tell where the glue is on the bottom. And then you got to put glue on that surface too.
So glue on both surfaces, and then
2 minutes. Or until it's just where it's kind of dry, where you can touch it and it doesn't come off.
just a little tacky though.
Just a little tacky, where touching it, it just barely stops becoming wet.
Oh, and you gotta wait 2 minutes?
Yeah, so he's prepping the next piece while he's waiting for that. By the time that he's done cleaning that off or cutting the piece, it'll be ready for the other one. The other one will be ready for applying the patch.
You put it on there, it dries out, then you put it on there again and actually glue it down?
No, the only reason I put more on here is because I used
to give the outline of the...
give the outline of where the patch is going to
But you could outline it with duct tape or masking tape or whatever.
Once they touch.
Yeah, so don't...
you gotta get it where it's supposed to go. They're welded immediately.
Or it starts welding anyway. There you go.